questions for you. I was just wondering, did you know that Grandma and Grandpa are 70 years old? Did you know that? Yeah, they are.
70.
Charlie, do you think that 70 is like really old? What do you think of that? Do you think that 70 is really old? Yeah? No thoughts on that? Can you tell us how special Grandma and Grandpa are to you? Can you tell us how special they are to you? Yeah? Tell us a little bit about how special they are. Okay, what do you love most about Grandma and Grandpa? Yeah? Yeah? Is Thursday your favorite day of the week when they come and see you? Yeah. Charlie, do you have anything to say to Grandma and Grandpa for their 70th birthdays? You do? Can you say happy birthday, Grandma and Grandpa? Happy birthday! Oh. Can you say thank you for taking such good care of me? Can you say that? Yeah. It's funny. Do you love Grandma and Grandpa so much? How much? How much do you love Grandma and Grandpa? This much? How much? A lot. A lot. Does Grandpa make you laugh all the time? Yeah, it does make you laugh.
Oh, woo, 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 woo.
Oh my gosh, he's giving you a wow, he just pulled you in for a quick kiss.
Arm?
Oh my god, there's nothing better. There's nothing better.
What
This is
about?
too much. Oh
no.
god.
Oh no!
Torture. Enough. Oh. Oh man. Enough. Oh, okay.